Out of Milk app. So shareable shopping list maker, grocery list out of Milk. Simplify your shopping experience. Have you ever returned from grocery shopping and realized you forgot that one item you really need? Then Out of Milk is the perfect app for you. Your shopping list everywhere. You can track, keep your essentials, number of one, top 20, 5 apps for moms, top 10 most used shopping apps. So pretty cool app. Multiple shopping lists, save time by grouping items into categories, easily scan to enter items in your shopping list. Shopping list history remembers items, share list by text or email, make a to-do list. Pantry list lets your inventory anything. So quite cool and easy shopping list app. That's basically the idea. Handy and easy to use. So here you have it. And then you can just get started. So easily you can create an account with Apple. I will just do it for you. And your list, pantry list, your list, completed item settings, can set up sales tax, currencies, allow alarm, submit request, and then add new. Okay, so this is already a list in here. So add new item, obviously milk. So super easy, as you see, it's out of field in here. So that's basically the idea. It's after, and then it's automatically adding all of these categories. You can select. You can share it, so then you can just have it like that. You can set up deadline, check all, uncheck all, manage categories, delete list. Place barcode with scanning area, so you can also do that. Pantry, to do, then there is a to-do list, shopping list, and that's it. You can, quite a lot of advancements. Currency, sales, taxes. So this is just what you're having. And that's the idea.